Happy Friday, everybody. What we're going to do today is we're going to copy our spreadsheet over into Scratch and create an animation. You can see that assignment here in Google Classroom. You want to first open up your Google Sheet. You'll find it in Google Drive. When you scroll down, you're going to open up your pixel art. Now, I've made a copy of Sierra's, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the size of it. What I can do is I can go from 100% down to 75% and almost see the whole grid. What I want to first do is I want to download it so I can use it in Scratch. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to use a tool that's called Send Screenshots. I added it to your Google Chrome list of applications at the top. If you're not using Google Chrome right now, make sure that you sign out and you go back into Google Chrome and see this symbol to download your work. You'll click it. You'll go to Selected Areas. What you'll do is you'll start at the top of your spreadsheet, click and hold and drag down to make sure everything, all of your whole entire page is highlighted. You'll see it here on this screen. We're not going to change anything about it. We'll hit Done. And then we're going to download. It's downloaded into my computer now. You might see it a little bit differently than what I see it, but that's okay. What I now want to do is I want to go to Scratch. You should already be signed into Scratch, so you're going to hit Create. When you click on Create, you'll go to the Scratch page. We're going to get rid of the cat sprite by hitting the scissors and clicking on the cat to delete him. What we want to do is we want to create new sprites. So we're going to go to the New Sprite row. We don't want one that's already in the sprite library. We don't want to draw one since we already have one made. What we're going to do is we're going to upload one. We're going to upload by choosing the Upload folder. It'll open up the Downloads folder. It should go to the Downloads folder. If not, you'll choose Downloads on the side of your screen. You'll go to the screenshot that you just created, and you'll open it up. There's my screenshot. I can move it around on my screen to make sure that it fits. This is what's called a costume, and I can go to the Costumes tab at the top. This is my first costume. What I want to do is I want to make multiple costumes of each one of my sheets. So what I'll do is I'll go back to my Google Sheet, go to sheet number 2, and make a screenshot of it. Again, you're going to go to Explain and Send Screenshots. You'll go to Selected Area. You'll click and hold and drag all the way down from one corner to the other. You'll choose Done, and then Download. Once it's downloaded, we'll go to Scratch. We're going to upload it by choosing the folder. Once we are in the folder for downloads, we're going to go to the next screenshot. It's not going to overlay it. What it's going to do, it's going to copy it to another costume. I'll go back to my Google Sheet. Number 3 now. I'm going to go to Explain and Send Screenshots. Selected Areas. Click and hold and drag down and across. Hit Done and Download. Go back to Scratch. Go back to my folder for uploading. Next one on my list in the Downloads folder, and open it up. Last time, I'm going to go to my spreadsheet, sheet 4, send and explain screenshots, selected area, click and hold from one corner to the other, done, and download. Go to Scratch, open up the last costume, click on it, open it up. Now I have 4 costumes. I can click on each one of them to see what they look like. Now what I'll do is I'm going to write the scripts, the code for it. I want when the flag is clicked. Control, forever. I'm going to go to looks, next costume. This is telling the computer once it goes from one costume, it's going to switch to the next one. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa, that's fast. Let's go ahead and stop it. Let's try to slow it down by hitting a wait block. Let's go ahead and put a wait block in there. And let's wait 0.5 seconds. Let's see what it looks like. That's a little bit better. Kind of like a flip book where you can see all of the different things going through on your character. I'll stop it. I want to name this. I'm going to change from untitled to my name. Make sure you put your first and your last name in here so I'll know that it's yours. You can go to File and Save Now. I'll be around to answer any questions that you might have. Good luck.